Hi, Aurora here. Are you a homeschooling parent and you know you need to teach your kids science and you really want to do a great job, but maybe you feel like you don't really know how to go about it? Or maybe you just don't have time to teach it the way you wish you could, and you're worried about getting the experiments to work and all the time it takes to do them right. If so, you're not alone. My name's Aurora Lipper, and I've dealt with thousands of parents exactly like you, helping them all turn their kids into enthusiastic and excited lovers of science without you having to be an expert science teacher yourself or spending a lot of time doing it. You know, I've been involved in science all of my life. I've designed rockets, jet engines, I've worked for NASA, I've taught mechanical engineering at the university level, and there's one thing that I can tell you from all these years of experience, personally, and from working with parents just like you. In order for science to be learnable and for the process to actually work, it has to be fun. And I think you know this from working with your own children, don't you? When you can make their homeschooling fun, then it's not only fun for them, but it's also fun for you. It no longer becomes a chore. Wouldn't it be incredible to have your children come up to you and ready and excited about the day's lesson? Well, that's exactly what I want to show you how to do. And I'd like to do it for free. What I've prepared for you is a really quick and easy guide called the Science Activity Guidebook, and it has 30 quick and easy science experiments that your kids can do right now. Now, you can get it by entering your email address in the little box above this video. And as soon as you enter your email address, I'll mail it to wherever you ask me to. It's yours with my compliments. And I'm doing this because, well, like you, I'm dedicated to helping all children get the best possible education and having a great time in the process. So again, thanks for coming here. I commend you on your decision and dedication to take something as precious and as important as your child's education into your own hands. And I'm happy to help support you in making that both fun for you and your child. So enter your email address in the box and I'll send you the Science Activity Guidebook for free right now.